Hey guys, so the next thing that we learn right now is upper function, which is from the case conversion method that we are checking out. So this is upper function. So now what upper function does, if you have seen my previous video on lower, where we converted the strings to lower alphabets or lower characters or small case. Yeah. So in uppercase, it's totally opposite, where the method is used to convert lowercase characters to uppercase characters. However, if there are elements in the string that are already uppercase, it will keep them. Yeah. Same as we had for lowercase, where if already had lowercase, then it will skip them. The method will not show any effect on digits and symbol as we had for same way as we had for lowercase as well. The syntax to convert a string to lowercase is this. I'll just write the syntax of lowercase. So it is str dot upper. Sorry, we are talking about upper, right? So str dot upper. So this is the syntax which you will be using. Yeah. So let's try to use some example. Whereas this low uppercase, we do not have any parameters as we had for lowercase. We also do not have any return value. The only return value is it will convert a particular string to upper. Yeah. So let's use the same examples that we had for lower. So we'll convert, we have this. So this, we'll write it this way. So this is an lowercase string converted to upper. Okay. This is an lowercase string converted to upper. And the function that we'll be using is upper. Yeah. Update the comment as well. Lowercase will be converted to uppercase. Yes. So let's run this. Let's see whether it gets converted to uppercase. Yes. All the alphabets within the string have been converted to uppercase. Yeah. So in this string particularly, we had all the strings in lowercase. So it didn't convert as such. So it converted it to uppercase. So if I had the string already in lowercase, so we had this previously where we already had in lowercase. Now, if we have all the string, this is a uppercase string. So I already have this string in uppercase. Uppercase string will not have any effect with upper function. Yes. So let's see. I already have this string with uppercase characters. Yeah. Let's see if it has any effect on it. So you see this, you do not have any effect on it because it will remain as it is, which we had in the original string. Yeah. Let's see, we have again the example that we had for numbers. Let's see if it has any effect on numbers. So numbers which we use for lower, we use for upper as well. So upper also does not have any effect on the numbers because upper, it's simple as it is. It doesn't have any uppercase or lowercase. Even symbols do not have any uppercase and lowercase. So again, it will not have any effect. So we'll see this. I'll write upper. Let's see if it has any effect. No, it doesn't have any. Let's try with the same symbol. What we did for comparing with lower, we tried with upper as well. Whether it converts a string to upper and matches them. We use the same example of if which we had used earlier. Only thing that we'll do is we'll change this function to upper. Yes. So all the above string will automatically get converted to upper. So I'll make this string as lower. String example. Yes. So this will get converted to upper. So what happens is both the string will be converted to upper, checked against each other, and if both are equal, then it will say that both the strings are equal. Yeah. See this? So very simple. These two formulas that we have seen, one in earlier video and right now, is for the lower function converts alphabet within a string to lowercase. Upper function converts alphabets to uppercase. Pretty simple. I hope you like this video. Please share, like and comment my videos and subscribe to my channel to get such more simplified videos. Thank you so much.